AI is changing the way people study, work, create content, and run small businesses.
You know, what's really fascinating about that shift is that today we are officially moving away from just knowing artificial intelligence exists somewhere out in the background to actually getting our hands dirty. We're going to use it to completely empower your daily routine. It's really all about taking this broad, intimidating concept and turning it into a highly practical tool right there in your own hands.
All right, let's pull up our roadmap for the final 3 skills in this masterclass. We'll quickly touch on our changing world, then dive right into AI content creation, learning with AI, simple AI automation, and finally, we'll wrap up with how you can start your journey today.
So kicking things off with Section 1, the changing world, and why beginners need AI now.
Look, there's no denying the digital landscape is evolving at breakneck speed. But hey, the goal here isn't to stress about falling behind, not at all. It's about seizing these new tools to make life a whole lot easier and more productive. So building on our previous explainer, where we tackled prompt writing and summarizing, today we are zeroing in strictly on content creation, learning, and automation. These are the absolute game changers, the skills that take you from just, casually chatting with an AI to actually getting measurable, meaningful work done.
Moving right along to Section 2, Skill AI Content Creation, going from blank page to draft.
Okay, how exactly does AI solve literally the most frustrating part of starting any project? You know the feeling, staring at that mocking, blinking cursor on a blank page? Well, AI content creation uses these tools to rapidly brainstorm ideas, draft up outlines, or even generate the initial text for your projects. Now, to be completely clear, we are absolutely not letting the AI do all the work or replace our unique human voice. Scratch that. It's really more like having a tireless, high-powered brainstorming buddy sitting right next to you, just helping you get those first messy words onto the page so you can build some immediate momentum.
And honestly, the sheer adaptability of this in practice is amazing. Let's look at a student, for instance. They can totally conquer writer's block by asking AI to spit out a structured outline for some heavy history essay, or brainstorm a bunch of wild, unique angles for a science project. Meanwhile, a small business owner can use the exact same tool to instantly draft up a promotional email campaign or knock out a whole week's worth of social media posts in just a few minutes. I mean, it is basically the ultimate cure for the blank page.
All right, let's pivot to Section 3, Skill, Learning with AI, your 24/7 personal tutor.
Learning with AI is all about interacting with the smart assistant to break down incredibly complex topics, ditch the jargon for plain English, or even dynamically test your knowledge. This totally flips traditional education on its head. I want you to think of this not as a standard search engine where you're endlessly hunting for the right link. It's really an infinitely patient tutor. It's a tutor that's going to re-explain a concept a dozen times if you need it to, constantly adapting its language until that light bulb finally goes off.
So, in the real world, a student might take their super dense, confusing lecture notes, paste them in, and basically say, hey, explain this to me like I'm a total beginner to prep for exams. It's brilliant. On the flip side, a small business owner can use it to rapidly upskill. Imagine asking an AI for a simple step-by-step guide to navigating that clunky new accounting software you just bought, or getting a quick breakdown of a crazy new market trend. It absolutely levels the playing field for learning, for sure. And that brings us to Section 4, Skill, Simple AI Automation, Reclaiming Your Time.
Now, this is wild, because this kind of capability used to be strictly reserved for big tech companies with armies of programmers. But today, simple AI automation just means setting up tools to handle your repetitive daily chores automatically. The real magic here, the huge takeaway, is that you are literally buying back your own time. You're getting those mind-numbing administrative tasks completely off your plate, which means you can focus entirely on the creative, high-level human work that actually moves the needle.
So what does this actually look like for our everyday users? Well, our student could automate study schedule reminders so they stay right on track, and they can have AI automatically sort a chaotic, messy inbox of class emails into neat folders instantly. Meanwhile, the small business owner, they are saving hours, literally hours every single week by automating email replies to frequent customer questions and seamlessly categorizing incoming invoices without doing any of the manual data entry themselves. Small tweaks, massive time savings.
Finally, Section 5. Start your journey today. Taking the next step. Listen, these practical skills, content creation, dynamic learning, simple automation, they are all completely within your reach right now. No coding experience required. No way. So how do you actually start? Step 1. Pick just one of the 3 skills we covered. Seriously, don't try to learn the whole shebang at once. Step 2. Try a simple real-life example today.
Maybe just finally outline that email you've been putting off. And step 3, visit LearnFree.org to really master these basics and get some deeper, structured guidance.
As the saying goes, the future belongs to those who learn to use the tools of today. Please, don't sit back and wait for the digital landscape to just change without you. You've got the power right now to take control of your learning, completely streamline your work, and grow your small business. Make that choice to empower yourself. Start your journey today by heading over to LearnFree.org.